Hello everyone and welcome. Today we'll see how to set up Wireshark on Windows. On any modern web browser, navigate to wireshark.org and navigate to the Downloads tab by clicking on the Downloads button. Download the appropriate Wireshark build according to your hardware and OS versions. Here, we have downloaded Windows x64 installer according to the system. After downloading, navigate to the folder where the installer is downloaded. This is generally your downloads folder and double-click the file to start installation. In the prompt, click Yes and then click Next until you reach Choose Components screen. Here, select the additional components you would like and click Next when ready. Select Install Location. We recommend leaving it to default. Select Additional Options and Next to start installation. We can see the downloads are proceeding as indicated by the progress bar. Once the installer finishes, we are prompted to restart our system. After the completion of installation, open Wireshark. Select the network interface you want to monitor.